my mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to my recipe for like a high protein chili. Okay, so let's get into this. I've got a can of Kroger black beans. There's 7 grams of protein in a half a cup. That's a lot. We got some Kroger Petite diced peeled tomatoes. This only has 1 gram of protein, but I mean the tomatoes taste good. And you need those for chili. We got the tomato paste, Kroger brand. I'm gonna put some Hershey's cocoa in this. I don't know. It sounds good, you know, something. Give it a little bit of a bite to it. I don't. Cumin. Get a little bit of that. Some chili powder. Some garlic powder. I'm gonna put some flax seeds in it. 5 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons. I'm thinking that'll probably be enough. And then got some dark brown sugar. Gonna put that in there. And then, oh my gosh, I've got some Simple Truth burgers. I'm probably gonna crumble a couple of those up in there. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's gonna be my chili. This is how I make vegan chili. Okay, let's get started, right? Okay, so I don't have any like vegetable broth, but I do have vegetarian Better Than Bouillon no chicken base. So I have a whole bunch of that, so I'm going to do that in there. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so now, I always have like a spoon rest or something. Okay, this plate will work. And, just put the spoon over there. Put the cover on. And then I'm gonna just turn it on to low. I'm gonna slow cook this. I'm gonna slow cook this, and I'm gonna add the burger crumbles a little later. Just, you know, cause that's how I do it. But yeah, I'm just gonna slow cook this. Oh, all the flavors. But yeah, definitely season everything to taste. You know, it tasted like it needed a little more brown sugar. You know, it tasted like it needed a little more, you know, cocoa powder or whatever. I added that, you know. And you just, yeah, you just go by taste. And, yeah, I added a half a tablespoon of that bouillon, the Better Than Bouillon. But yeah, you can use, like vegetable broth or something. It's just, that's what I had on hand. You know, you just use what you got on hand. And yeah, everything just tastes so good. I ended up putting, you know what, I'm gonna have the recipe down in the description and everything. So you can make this for yourself. But yeah, I'll come back in a little bit when it's like cooked, and then I'll add the crumbles, and then, you know, yeah. Yeah, you definitely, like, pick this up, you stir it, like, usually every, like, hour I'll look at it, you know. You know what I'm gonna add in here? Is some nutritional yeast. You know, really get that nutrition up. I love nutritional yeast, so it's like get a cheesy flavor in there. Also, this is Simple Truth nutritional yeast seasoning. It has it's an excellent source of vitamin B12. Also, there's like 3 grams of protein in a tablespoon. I don't know if you noticed that. But yeah, that's the nutrition on this, and it's Simple Truth brand, and it's cheaper than Bragg's, which was what I used to get. But yeah, let's just stir that on in. Oh, yeah. It's a good way to sneak nutrition in there, you know, it's a good way to just be sneaky about it. Give it a little taste. I'm the only one who's going to be eating this chili, by the way. I know I keep, like, licking the spoon and dipping it back in there. Okay, there's a slight cheesy flavor, but it's not... Like, it still tastes like my chili. Okay. So that's what I just put in there. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is looking good. This is looking good. Okay, so I just microwaved the burgers and I chopped them up into little pieces. And I'm just gonna put this right on into the chili. Let me just move some things around. Okay. Scoop that on into there. Oh my gosh, can you even see that? Can you even see that? Okay. So, okay, let's stir that on in there. Let me just pick this camera on up. Let's stir that on in. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is filled to the brim. But yeah, that should make it, I think, about 21 grams of protein for like a fourth of this crock pot of chili. And that's usually what I eat, you know. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Oh, this is the way I'm making chili from now on. I was sort of trying out something new with putting the burgers in there, the nutritional yeast, a little bit of flax seed, but I think it's turning out so nice. I'm gonna let it sit in there for just maybe another hour, just let everything just soak on up, and then I'm definitely gonna have myself a bowl of chili. It's almost, I think it's like 11 o'clock at night, so it'll probably be midnight before this is done, but yeah, I'm gonna have myself a bowl of chili at midnight. Oh. Okay, so it's done. Scoop a little bit into this bowl. Yeah, let's, maybe another scoop. Just maybe another scoop. Next, we've got some saltine crackers. They're Kroger brand. Hey, ooh, and I got cheese. Simple Truth, plant-based, non-dairy cheddar style slices. Absolutely not. Like, there's no nutrition in this. It's just for taste. It's just for taste. But yeah, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that on top. Oh my gosh. Oh, this looks like chili. Oh, this is chili. This is chili. That is what it looks like. That, oh, right there. Right there. Okay, the battery's turning off. Okay, I just... Okay, so... I'm back, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Okay, that is hearty. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I think I've done it. I think I've made just the best vegan chili. I think I made the best vegan chili. Oh my gosh, and that cheese on top. That cheese. It tastes the closest to like a non-vegan shredded cheese. Like, I love it. Okay, so that was my chili video. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, for now I have to go. Until the next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.